What is self first you understand? Self is I. Higher self is we. In a very simple words, I have done this. I built this ashram. I own you. I own this mobile phone. This is your lower vibrations. This is your lower self. I am doing everything. Who is God? I have achieved this. This is all yourself, And what is higher self? I said we. Understanding that I alone has no capacity. I am wearing this cloth, but before that cotton was grown by somebody. Before cotton was grown, somebody has put a very beautiful soil. For putting very beautiful soil, somebody has put in fertilizers. Rain God has put the rain in it so that the plant grew. Then cotton came in. Some laborers has taken that cotton out. Somebody else has processed it. And after processing, it became thread. Somebody has used that thread to make it cloth. Somebody has dyed it to make it pink. After that also it was not ready. Then I bought the cloths, thinking that it is mine because I have bought it. And then also I was not able to wear it. Then what I did, I went to a tailor. He used some thread and stitched it. That thread was made by somebody else. A machine which he used was not made by tailor. It was made by somebody else. And still, now, I am wearing this with an ego that this is mine. This is the lower vibrations. This whole understanding that it is not mine, it has been, okay, I am using it, but there are many people who has put in work in it. And for those work, I shall always remain grateful to them. Then the energy is present around. The sun energy, the energy of moon, energy of the planets, energy of the earth. Because of what? Rotation of earth and revolution of earth became possible. And because of that, life became possible. The atmosphere, the oxygen, the greenery, the process of photosynthesis, all this is responsible for my existence here. And when we understand this I becomes zero. And the moment your I becomes zero, you become your higher self. If I is even 0.1, then you are not your higher self. What is higher self? Is that my capabilities are limited and I am part of a very big chain. Who manages that chain? Who is the manager of that chain? Is something called source. And my higher self is nothing but source. So when I say connecting yourself to your higher self, what I mean is becoming we from I. Okay, becoming source from I. Knowing that every actions I perform, there is willingness involved, and it is not only my action. It was possible because my mother, my father has given me this body, because my ancestors has given me DNA, because Rishi Bharadwaj was able to create their children, and then I'm here. So understanding this is the journey towards your higher self. And when you understand that completely, you becomes your higher self. Thank you, and I think that answers the question.